Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm excited to be unboxing and reviewing a Tronsmart RGB. It's the TK09R mechanical keyboard. Really excited about this. Go ahead, look in my video description. Check out the link in my video description below. It'll take you to Amazon. You can check this out as well. Really cool products. I love Tronsmart. I have a wireless Bluetooth speaker by them. Big fan of that. Check out that video too. I'll link to that. It's in my channel as well. So today it's going to be an RGB mechanical keyboard. Really excited. Looks really sweet. It's endorsed, I guess, by an international football star, which is pretty cool. They got different types of layouts. This is the US layout. I'll show you the side. Just has Tronsmart branding on it. The front just shows you this mechanical keyboard with RGB lighting. That's 16.8 million colors. Then on the back's pretty cool. It shows you got the blue switch, the red switch, the black switch, or the brown switch. This one is the blue switch, so if you're a keyboard snob, you'll know what that means. So I believe, if I understand it all correctly, this would be better for typing, but I'm sure people would use it as gaming as well too. It's really cool just to have that RGB color on it. So really cool package. Again, you can buy it on Amazon, brands Tronsmart. It's definitely a budget keyboard, really exciting. It's Amazon will have the most current price for you. It's around, I think, $60, $70, $80, somewhere around there, so not too bad. I've reviewed keyboards that cost twice as much. But yeah, really cool. Now we'll go ahead, we'll just jump right in and open it up and see how the build is. Here is how it comes packaged to you, nice and neat. This keyboard does have a palm rest too, which is cool. Get the foam out of the way. We got a user manual. Interesting. The disc is just right there. The keyboard. And the USB cable. Alright, first thing we'll take a look at. I don't know if this was supposed to be in this case, but it fell out. Here's a driver for their software so you can customize your keyboard, which is cool. And I know there's a lot of hotkeys that you can adjust as well, which is sweet. Here's a warranty card, 1-year warranty. That's nice. Hold on to that. Here's the user manual for it, just showing you its features, fully programmable macro keys for custom commands. Yeah, so really neat. It's got 8 megabytes of flash memory to store offline configurations while switching between computers, which is cool. Tips and tricks, troubleshooting, how to use the function keys and what they do, what's in the package. So just a helpful little manual to have. We'll put that, I don't know if you can see that with my lighting, but anyways, keep that too. Now let's just go ahead and look at the keyboard. Nice big palm rest. If you're a big fan of those, this will be the keyboard for you. I love mechanical keyboards. Just the sound is so spectacular. You can hear that. Really, really cool. So, yeah. No USB pass-through on here, which is fine. Just trying to show you each side. There's the back, side. I've already put those legs out. They got nice grips here too if you don't want to use that, and those have grips on them as well if you don't want it propped up. Here is the front of the keyboard. Try to show you the finish. It's definitely got a plastic finish for the case, but it's still cool, and the blue key will be nice too. I love the sound of them, so let me just go ahead and just type away. You can see, but yeah, gonna be a big fan of this. I'll definitely be using this for my computer for a while to see how it holds up, so I should be able to do a follow-up with you, and we can plug it in and see what it looks like. But really happy with it. Great first impression. Really cool Tronsmart product. Again, I love their stuff. I'm glad they're on my channel. Really a great product. You can check out on Amazon yourself. Feel free to ask me any questions, comments, concerns you have. Hit that sub button if you haven't. Love to have you guys stay part of my channel and just build out this community. And I will look forward to seeing you all in my next video. Thank you.